only the Father, only Jesus Christ can really transform our life. And so, this period in which seems that nothing happened, in reality, it is a period in which God works in our heart, and also our freedom day by day realizes that we are really poor people, and so we need really the help of God, the help of Jesus Christ. We need the resurrection of Jesus Christ. This is why the feast of today is something absolutely important, because this makes every instant in our life positive. Even if we are tired, if we are suffering, even if we have problems, but we know that this situation will not last forever. We know that it's changing. And so this makes us praying, this makes us praising God for His Son that has been risen by Him. I would say, I was saying this also in the Mass today, is
Go, bilis! Hoy! Ala, nahiwi! Ah, shot man, kausa! Go!
Hipan, hipan. Uy! Go, go, go. Mate. Angat. Ako! Isa, kaya yan, kaya yan! Laban, laban! Galing naman! Next!
Ilan ba? Kahit ilan?
Magagaling sila magmatayo. Ha?
Sa sali ako, sali. Sali, pila. Hari-hari kalikod na ko.
Nag-practice ko? Practice lang? Ang galing.
Magawang ka usara. Balik ko mag-uwi.
Sabi nga. Oo nga. Yung ulam, galing. Ah! Dito, dito. Okay, isang makapagpatayo na lang. Isang chance, last chance. Last chance. Last chance. Last winner. Tatlo lang po.
Wala na din.
Okay, last game. Yung winner po may tubig pala kaming premium.
Ay, dito ka, dito. Winner, dito, banda, dito.
sa iyong muling pagkabuhay at aming muling pagkabuhay din. Kami nagpapasalamat na sa loob ng 45 taon, kami ay iyong ginawaran hindi lamang ng iyong misyon, kundi sa iyong walang sawang pagsubaybay sa aming tapat na paglilingkod dito sa simbahan ng Santa Teresa at maging ang paglilingkod din namin sa bawat isa. Naway ang aming pagdiriwang sa hapong ito ay magdulot na hindi lamang kasiyahan, kung hindi ang isang yung isang meaningful celebration sapagkat maraming tao ang nagdaan na dito sa Santa Teresa at naghandog ng kanilang buhay at ang kanilang pagsisilbi. Kasama rin natin sila sa hapong ito at idinudulog din namin sila sa ating Panginoong Diyos. Naway ang aming pagdiriwang ay maging makabuluhan at magdulot ito ng higit pang malaking sigla sapagkat alam namin na ikaw, Panginoong Diyos, ay walang hanggan ngayon at magpakailanman.
Amen.
Amen.
Hey! Go!
Thank you so much for your Dominic. This is one of the wonderful
Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and click the notification bell so that you will notify for my next video. Bye!